Hi everybody, how are you? It's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life, I have a box that I didn't know was coming. That's Ipsy. If you want to know what's in my Ipsy box for May, even though it's June, then stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
So I was talking to my friend Pam. Actually, I think it was a comment on her Ipsy unbagging or boxing, and I said, I kind of miss Ipsy. And then when I went to the post office, there was an Ipsy box in there. So I must have just put it on some kind of 3-month hold or something. I don't know, but I'm kind of curious what's in here. So let's get to it. Ipsy is $25 a month for, this is the plus box. They also have the Ipsy bag, which is I think $12 now, and the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50. The Ipsy Ultimate, wasn't real impressed, but I have always really liked the Ipsy Plus. Picking up the box, this is what it looks like. So let's dig in and see what is in here. I do have a card, but it doesn't tell me anything. Like, it doesn't tell me the prices or what anything is, so I guess we're winging it. All right, if I can find prices or anything on Ipsy of what these things are, then of course I will put them across the screen for you. All right, the first thing is Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum, pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing, a 30 ml. I will look on the back of this thing and see, is it for, let's see, that's not English. Wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, and leave the serum on during the day or night. All right, so let's open this up. It does have a safety seal, and I'll just put a little bit on my hand and see what it feels like. All right, so it is like a milky serum. It's not clear. Let's just put a little on my hand. It feels nice and silky, so that's nice. All right, let's see how it dries. The next thing that I see in here is by Girlactic. It's a Skin Glow Duo. And we have a little highlighter palette. So we've got a more bronzier color and then a pink. I don't really want to, I'm not gonna swatch it just because I'm trying really hard not to swatch anything that I'm not gonna use right now. I'm trying to use up what I have. That's why I haven't been doing as many makeup unboxings. But the colors are Skin Glow and Moonlight. So one of you guys might see this at some point. I'm pretty close to getting 1,000. I have a little over 900 right now. So if you like this video and you haven't subscribed yet, then I hope that you will, so that I can hit 1,000. All right, this is Tartiest Lip Paint by Tarte. Love a good lip paint, lip stain, lipstick, lip gloss. If it says lip, then I love it. But it is a nude natural color. That feels really good, by the way. That's nice and soft and not sticky. I feel like I have a color that is similar to this from Ofra. Ooh. I don't know about that. That is That is dark. And it is, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It almost felt like mud, to be honest. All right, but I'll give it a try, I guess. The next thing is by Color Rain Vineyard Soiree Eyeshadow Palette. I know with the light, sometimes I feel like you guys can't see. Why do they always put stuff in boxes that I can't open? I always end up either tearing up the box or tearing up my nails in them, which I just did. All right, so I tore up the box anyways. It is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, and gluten-free. So this is what the little palette looks like. It is very teeny, ooh, but colors that are right up my alley. Can you guys see those? There's some pinks and looks like a gray. There's some mattes, maybe 1, 2 mattes, and 4 shimmer shades. So those are really pretty. And I mean, it's itty bitty, so nice for travel. And then the next thing in here is by Wonder Beauty. Oh my goodness, I do not have my glasses, they're in the car. What the heck is this? Brow gel. So, yeah, brow gel. So you just put it on your brows there. All right, so that's by Wonder Beauty. Wonder Beauty is always a nice product. And then, of course, we get our little bag. It looks nice and beachy. I want to be at the beach right about now. That would be lovely. But no beach vacation for me this year. But if you look inside the bag, that's what it looks like. It is itty bitty. I mean, well, that fit in it. How much of this stuff actually fits in it? The little compact fit, the brow gel. I mean, I guess everything fits. Nice little size. A lot of times I use the little Ipsy bags for like sticking lipsticks in my purse, but everything fit in there, even though it was a teeny little bag. So, all right. I mean, this box, I really like the palette as long as it seems to be good. I'm not a fan of this gloopy, gloppy, muddy mess that is currently on my hand for a lipstick or paint. But I'll give it a try with some lip gloss and see if I change my mind. And, oh, the serum or whatever. It feels really good, so I think it'll feel good on my face. And it's light feeling. It's not real heavy I don't like putting a lot of heavy junk on my face during the summer because it just melts off anyways. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.